Hey guys, so I'm back again with another tutorial. This is a more of a natural tutorial and I'm using the Crayon case, the Naturale palette. So if you guys are new or if you guys are interested to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I'm coming in with my eyebrows already filled. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, click the link below. So we're going to go in with my foundation, MAC Studio Fix in the color NW46. MAC is actually the first foundation that I've ever bought, ever. So my primer, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. So this is the Naturale palette by Crayon Case, and I'm going in with the color Light Year. I'm going to go in with my Real Technique crease brush. So I'm going for more of like a natural look today. I'm not doing too much today, so I don't need to be popping. I just want a subtle look. The color I'm going to use on my lid is Mile. It's this cute little nudie pink right here at the end. I'm going to take some of this and I'm going to pack it all over my lid. So I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle. I'm going to go in with Yard. It's this cute, glittery, nudie pink color here. So I used the Itsmyrayeraye, the number 8 brush for my first color. And I'm going to use that same brush for my color Yard. And I'm going to pack that on my lid right on top of my first color that I used. So the look that I was going for today was more for like weddings or like a day birthday party or church, you know, something in that nature. I'm gonna go in with my Itsmyrayeraye palette. I'm gonna be using the color Black Beauty. I want to add a little bit of black. So I lost a little bit of my color, so I'm gonna go back in with Yard, and I'm gonna pack that back onto my lid. I'm going to pop in a little bit of my favorite mascara by CoverGirl. It's called Supersizer. My favorite concealer, my Pro Longwear by MAC, and I'm in the shade NC45. And the brush I use is my e.l.f. concealer brush. It's been rocking with me. The beauty blender that I'm using today I got from e.l.f. I spray a little bit of my Fix Plus on that thing. And I blend him in. Dang y'all, I'm sad. I'm almost out of my bennye banana powder. I'm down to the last bit. But I'm gonna pop a little bit of my bennye banana powder on top of my concealer to set it. You guys comment down below and let me know what makeup look you guys want me to do next. I was thinking about going in with my Lime Crime palette, the number 2 palette, and doing a look on that. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Or if you guys want me to do an eyelash tutorial, I can do that too. Contour and concealer is my favorite thing to put on. Like it just does it for me. Like when I got on my contour and my concealer, it's like you can't tell me nothing. So my contour, I'm using my my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the color Cool Espresso. And then I go in with my Studio Fix by MAC in the color NW58. And I blend both of those two colors together. And voila, that is my contour. So to blend everything together, I'm gonna use my Itsmyrayeraye, the #1 brush. And we're gonna blendy blend. So I'm going to use a little bit more of my bennye banana powder or whatever, so I can clean up my little contour. I'm gonna go in with my small beauty blender. I'm saying it like that because last time in my last video I forgot what it was called. I'm like, I don't even remember what this thing is called. A beauty blender, the micro beauty blender. Alright, I'm going back in with my Itsmyrayeraye, the #1 brush. Clean up that concealer I had under my contour. The blush that I use is by MAC. It's called Raizin, and I'm going to use my Itsmyrayeraye, it's the #2 brush. Just use a little bit of that. I don't need too much. And for my, clean off my mirror a little bit. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Becca Cosmetics highlighter, and this is the Rose Gold highlighter. I haven't used this one in a minute. So we're going to pop this one out, and we're going to be using the Itsmyrayeraye, the #5 brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit, not too much. Oh, you can barely see it. Gotta put a little more. There we go. Every time I wear this rose gold, I always get compliments. And I'm gonna use the Itsmyrayeraye, the #6 brush. And I'm gonna put it on my nose, the tip of my nose, and right along my bridge. For under my eye, I'm gonna go back in with the Itsmyrayeraye, the black color. It is Black Beauty. I'm gonna use some of that under my eye. I'm gonna smoke it out with that same brush by Real Techniques. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use my pencil brush by Itsmyrayeraye, and that is the #7 brush. So I'm gonna line my lip with my Wet n Wild in the shade 603A. My favorites. These are $1 at Walgreens. Get your life. And I'm gonna use one of my favorite. It's MAC. It's a matte lipstick from MAC, and it's called Really Me. These are one of my favorite. Look, it's almost gone too. I wear it too much. And to top it off, I'm gonna go in with my Loreal. I bought this so long ago. It is Barely Nude 815.